Exceptions. C++, the basics. Consider again the vector example. What ought to be done when we try to access an element that is out of range for the vector from? The writer of vector doesn't know what the user would like to have done in this case. The writer of vector typically doesn't even know in which program the vector will be running. The user of vector cannot consistently detect the problem. If the user could, the out-of-range access wouldn't happen in the first place. The solution is for the vector implementer to detect the attempted out-of-range access and then tell the user about it. The user can then take appropriate action. For example, vector operator can detect an attempted out-of-range access and throw an out-of-range exception. Double and vector operator int I. If I less than 0 or size less equals I, throw out-of-range vector operator. Return element I. The throw transfers control to a handler for exceptions of type out of range in some function that directly or indirectly called vector operator. To do that, the implementation will unwind the function call stack as needed to get back to the context of that caller. For example, void f vector and v. Try. Exceptions here are handled by the handler defined below. v.size equals 7. Try to access beyond the end of v. Catch, out of range, oops, out of range error. Handle range error. We put code for which we are interested in handling exceptions into a try block. That attempted assignment to v.size will fail. Therefore, the catch clause providing a handler for out of range will be entered. The out-of-range type is defined in the standard library and is in fact used by some standard library container access functions. Use of the exception handling mechanisms can make error handling simpler, more systematic, and more readable.